Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Fosak TV USA. Here's the breaking news from New Delhi, India. India is confident of its strategic deterrence capability, which will get a greater punch with the ongoing induction of Agni 5 missiles and Rafale fighters, as well the commissioning of nuclear submarine INS Shear. Though it still lags behind both China and Pakistan in the number of nuclear. China now possesses 350 nuclear warheads, while Pakistan has 165 as compared to 156 of India. As per the latest assessment of the Stockholm International Peace Institute, that is called SIPRI, released on Monday. The 9 nuclear armed countries together possesses an estimated 13,080 nuclear weapons, with Russia 6,255 warheads and the US 5,550, leagues ahead of the rest. The other are France 290, UK 225, Israel 90 and North Korea 40 to 50. These figures, of course, are not exact because countries by and large keep their nuclear weapons programs shrouded in secrecy. Apart from Russia and the US, all the other 7 countries are also either developing or deploying new weapon systems. China is in the middle of a significant modernization and expansion of its nuclear weapons inventory, and India and Pakistan also appear to be expanding their nuclear arsenal, said SIPR. The report comes at a time India and China remain locked in the military confrontation in Eastern Ladakh, which erupted in May last year with no signs of de-escalation as yet. But the fresh border ceasefire with Pakistan has held since February. India officials says robust delivery systems like land-based ballistic missiles and nuclear-powered submarines with ballistic nuclear missiles called SSBNS with assured second strike capabilities have more strategic significance rather than the actual number of warheads. Nuclear weapons are meant for deterrence, not war fighting. Pakistan, of course, has benefited from its nexus in nuclear and missile proliferation with China and North Korea. But India is doing fine with development and modernization of its indigenous credible minimum deterrence, said an official. The Tri-Service Strategic Forces Command, for instance, is now inducting the over 5,000 kilometer range Agni 5 intercontinental ballistic missile, which brings the whole of Asia and China as well as parts of Europe and Africa within its strike envelope after shorter range missiles. Similarly, the new Rafale jets have boosted the existing air vector for delivery of nuclear gravity bombs after some Sukhoi 30 MKLS, Mirage 2000S and Jaguars were earlier modified for that role. But the third leg of the nuclear triad is still far from being credible. India currently has only one SSBN in INS Arihant with 750 km range K-15 nuclear missiles. Countries like the US, Russia and China have SSBNs with well over 5,000 km range missiles. India has 3 more SSBNs under development, with INS Arihant stated for commissioning this year after some delay. The developmental trials of K-4 missiles with a strike range of 3,500 km in turn have been completed, but the induction is still more distance away, as earlier said. Pakistan as yet does not have sea-based nukes, though it has tested the 450 km range Babur 3 cruise missiles for deployment on conventional diesel-electric submarines. China, of course, is far ahead with its Type 094 or Jin-class submarines armed with the 7,400 km JL2 missiles. Beyond the report, Fosak TV USA.